Okay, good morning. We're here in Studio City. It's Friday. I want to show you the end results. Took us a couple weeks. It was a very challenging project. So this house in Studio City, bottom of the mountain, this is the house. I was experiencing major water intrusion from the mountains into the crawl space. The crawl space was completely flooded with water, about 1 to 2 feet water. What we had to do over here is dig all the way to the bottom. This is subterranean footings, so we had to dig about 7-8 feet all this way, 7-8 feet all the way to the bottom. We installed multiple drainage lines. We waterproofed the area. We installed surface drainage. As you can see, those are the cleanouts to flush the perforated pipes. So this took us a couple weeks. It was very challenging due to the underground water streams, and everything is leading here to a major sump pump pit. I don't know if you can see, but this is about 9 feet deep, and you can see the pump over there. This is the pump with the float. This is the pit. Everything is going out to the street. Let me show you the discharge line. Maybe from here it will be easier. There is a discharge line over there. You can see it's dispensing to the street. This is our project for the exterior, and let me show you the garage part.